10 years of commitment to all that our logo symbolizes and the club stands for. Selfless service to society, which is what the club has achieved with team spirit, commitment, fellowship and dynamism. RCBC's mission statement, according to our past precedents: committed service to the community through well-planned and focused projects, accomplished sincerely, professionally and without fanfare. The Alsur Lake project created ripples in the press ever since it was planned in 1985. RCBC played the catalyst and activated the authorities into forming a high-level watchdog committee. The club also helped stop the inflow of sewerage water into the lake at a cost of rupees 10 lakhs. The club took on the BWSSB on the issue of clean drinking water. Random samples of drinking water were tested in the lab and found to be below the recommended levels. The club filed a public interest litigation against the BWSSB, and consequently the High Court of Karnataka directed the BWSSB to supply potable water to the citizens of Bangalore. Another project of the club, the Nelligudda project. Nelligudda, a village in Bidadi near Bangalore, is an adopted village of the RCBC. With the club's funding and guidance, 76 houses have been built in 5 years. Each one of these houses was built with the complete participation of the residents of Nelligudda. Through the Bridge Foundation, the club has also lent financial assistance to the fishermen here. In the village of Bidadi, the RCBC has started a biogas project which provides much needed electricity to the villagers. The club has also assisted the villagers in providing themselves with drinking water and also in finding ways of earning their livelihood. The lake near the village has been desilted with the RCBC's assistance. The club has helped some other villagers generate income of their own. In another part of Bidadi, the RCBC has funded a community center and a school for the village children. Over 17 lakh rupees have been spent by the club in a period of 4 years. Another of the RCBC's environmental projects is a tree planting project through which 1 lakh saplings were planted in Kamasandra in KGF. On almost 25 acres of land, 134 inmates of the Navajivan Nilaya represent a social service project that is unique. What really shines through at the Nilaya is its complete devotion to its inmates. Navajivan Nilaya is a rehabilitation center for leprosy patients who have been cured in hospitals. The Nilaya has a mechanized carpentry section where the inmates find a vocation that is to their liking. The RCBC has funded the buying of this machinery. The inmates have been taught the skills at the Nilaya and find a sense of pride in practicing them. There is also a coconut grove where the inmates nurture the plants with their own hands. The yield brings in some well-appreciated income. The ladies keep themselves busy in their own private dormitory, while the school provides the children the education they deserve. The Nilaya also runs a dairy of its own. And the piggery is another step towards income generation. The weaving section is another symbol of self-sufficiency at the Nilaya. The Navajivan inmates were found to be quite proficient with their weaving skills. Their combined efforts generate a substantial amount of income for the Nilaya. Also provides the women another form of occupation.
Much helpful now by the Rotary people of Cantonment, and they are in many ways they are helping us. They want to improve the status. Now this organization mainly for the purpose of rehabilitate the cured leprosy persons.
Dr. Geeta has meant a lot to the Navajivan Nilaya and its inmates. The RCBC has associated itself with the Corporation School in Lingarajpuram, building an additional room in what used to be a garbage bin. The RCBC has been running a midday meal scheme for the students of the school. This scheme has been a well-organized success for 3 years now, and today 260 students of the school benefit from it every day. Educational project that takes pride of place among the club's various other services is the Rotary House of Learning, where students of the Colespark area in Bangalore have excellent facilities made available to them at very minimal costs. The Rotary House of Learning was inaugurated by Rotarian Clifford L. Dosherman, the first Rotary International President to visit India. The library at the RHL provides some valuable knowledge to the children of the area. The Computer Learning Center at the RHL is a place where professional computer education is imparted by competent tutors to youngsters. This is at a cost just enough to cover the administration expenses, making it a very affordable option for the students. Senior Citizens Club is a social service club of retired citizens sponsored by RCBC. The 30-member Senior Citizen Club has its own projects. It also participates in the RCBC's projects. The senior citizens meet every second Thursday. Ski Courier is among RCBC's imaginative projects. Under this concept, which was started by the club 5 years ago, rag pickers from in and around Bangalore were trained as courier boys. Among other major service projects figures a successful effort towards transporting specialized eye bottles to Rotary Club of Colombo. The Bridge Foundation provides bridge loans to the underprivileged so they can provide themselves employment and generate additional income for their families. The RCBC, through matching grants, has contributed a corpus of 6.5 lakh rupees to the Bridge Foundation. Rural Consumex is a joint project with Kapat and Myrada, bringing artisans with their products to the consumer in the city. A singularly tremendous fundraising project of the RCBC has been Consumex, the annual consumer exhibition which the club has regularly organized since 1986. With its increasing popularity every year, the exhibition has been generating more and more funds for the other projects of the club. So far, this project alone has brought in over 30 lakh rupees as funds for community service projects. The Ants have lent their constant support through jumble sales, which brought in 34,000 rupees in 1994 and 27,000 rupees in 93. The road tractors have also been playing a significant role in the club's service projects. Raila leadership camps have been organized in cities and rural areas. Maitri Youth Counseling sessions are held at the Rotary House of Learning regularly. The RCBC has contributed over $47,000 to the Rotary Foundation. The club has received more than 40 lakh rupees over a period of 10 years through matching grants and other contributions from abroad. Some of our other international services also include a youth exchange program to Colombo in Sri Lanka. The club's success has been possible only because of the active and constant fellowship among its members. It has always been RCBC's mission to make a positive impact on the society it set out to serve. To not just see things as they are and ask why, but to also dream of things as they should be and ask why not. Having done it with conviction for a decade, the future seems sure of success with the club's well-wishers with it, its distinct beliefs behind it, and the commitment within.